aimer.
It means to like. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to like in the past tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. In order to conjugate the verb in past tense, we need to know the auxiliary verb and past participle of this verb. For conjugating this verb in past tense, we use the auxiliary verb
Avoir.
and the past participle of the main verb, which is
Aimer.
now. We have the auxiliary verb and the past participle. Let's see how we use this to conjugate the verb in past tense. I liked.
J'ai aimé.
You liked. Informal way.
Tu as aimé.
He liked. Masculine.
Il a aimé.
She liked. Feminine.
Elle a aimé.
We liked. Informal way.
On a aimé.
We liked. Formal way.
Nous avons aimé.
You liked. Formal way.
Vous avez aimé.
They liked. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils ont aimé.
They liked. Group of only females.
Elles ont aimé.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the past tense, let's explore some examples. I like the movie.
J'ai aimé le film. J'ai aimé le film.
You like the music.
Tu as aimé la musique. Tu as aimé la musique.
He liked the party.
Il a aimé la fête. Il a aimé la fête.
She liked the book.
Elle a aimé le livre. Elle a aimé le livre.
We liked the evening.
On a aimé la soirée. On a aimé la soirée.
We liked the beach.
Nous avons aimé la plage. Nous avons aimé la plage.
You liked the city.
Vous avez aimé la ville. Vous avez aimé la ville.
They liked the restaurant.
Ils ont aimé le restaurant. Ils ont aimé le restaurant.
They liked a song.
Elles ont aimé la chanson. Elles ont aimé la chanson.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
J'ai aimé. Tu as aimé. Il a aimé. Elle a aimé. On a aimé. Nous avons aimé. Vous avez aimé. Ils ont aimé. Elles ont aimé.
I have summarized the verb in small table for you. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.